Thorough summary of the instant noodles production process. 1. Mixing the dough. High-quality wheat flour, water, and salt are mixed to form a uniform dough with the perfect texture. Optional ingredients like vegetable extracts or seasonings may be added for flavor and nutrition. 2. Rolling and sheeting. The dough is rolled into thin, uniform sheets through multiple passes in industrial rollers. 3. Cutting and steaming. The sheets are cut into noodle strands, then steamed to partially cook them and enhance their elasticity. Shaping the noodles. Noodles are molded into specific shapes, ensuring even cooking and ease of packaging. 5. Frying or air drying. Noodles are either fried to create a crispy texture or air dried for a healthier option. Both methods ensure extended shelf life. 6. Adding seasoning packets. Pre-mixed seasoning packets containing spices and dehydrated vegetables are paired with the noodles. 7. Packaging. The noodles and seasoning are sealed in airtight packaging, labeled with flavor details and cooking instructions. 8. Quality control. Rigorous checks are performed throughout the process to ensure safety, taste, and consistency. 9. Sustainability efforts. Factories increasingly adopt eco-friendly practices like energy-efficient drying and sustainable packaging,